What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today, we're going for a test drive in a 1976 Formula Firebird. This car here has a 400 under the hood, power steering, aluminum radiator, front disc brakes. Check detailed pictures of this car out at maplemotors.com. While you're on there, you can get financing and shipping information and see all of our inventory. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We go on test drives and do walkarounds of the entire car lot. All right, guys, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Just jumped off in here, kind of taking a look around before we leave. The dash is nice and clean on this one. The console looks good. The seats are awesome looking. Let me get this out of the way. And then checking out the back seat. Looks good. Package tray, headliner. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. So the oil pressure gauge is coming up. The water temperature gauge is up already on the dash. RPMs. The clock works. Windshield wipers. Well, they just were working. They may be stuck on the hood. Gas gauge, quarter tank. Bolts up. Blower motor. It does work. Blow some heat off in here. Radio does work. Did y'all place your bets on the horn yet? Place your bets on the horn. I'll mess with the windshield wipers real quick. I turned them on. These things were just working. I'm not 100% sure on the windshield wipers. If you look in the walk around video, I just barely pushed them and they worked. Let's try the horn. Horn works. Let's hit the road, see how she drives. Oh man, got my seatbelt on. It's all up in my neck. I have to put it under my arm. The little piece on the side of your seat over here is broke off. Actually, it's just dangling around me. May not be broke. I think this pushes down in there. It's got like a little clip. Huh, it worked. Now it's not all on my neck. Well, anything that I see, I will let you know about. I do that in every video. If I see an issue with the car, I'll let you know about it, so you know exactly what you get when you get here. I'm gonna check the windows while we're at it. A little slow, but they're working. Even yours. You're coming up and down. I hate getting out in the 4 or 5 o'clock traffic, but lots to do. Very little time, so let's take off. Speedometer's coming up. Seems to be pretty accurate. The car feels like it's pulling to the right. And I tell you what, almost every test drive today they've been pulling to the right. Let me get off this grooved pavement. They came through with a scraper, scraped it all up. The steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Kickdown's hooked up. Brakes, stopping pretty fast. Pretty good. Hopefully I didn't lose my tag. The paint's so slick on this, there was nowhere to put the tag. I got a bunch of magnet tags and stuff, and I was a little concerned about that. I didn't think about it when I was getting on it. Everything's nice and clean in this one. The vents are kind of missing some pieces. know how they always fell in? Well, this one's gone there. They don't work at all. I'm still concerned about the wipers, because when the hood was up, man, this thing was moving. You do got a tilt column, something I forgot to tell you about, which is nice to have. The seats in this car are nice and comfortable. Turn signals, I hear them clicking, but the right side's not popping up on the dash. The left one is popping up. We're going to pull off in the parking lot. You know what I'm about to do. I'm going to get some outside shots. We'll drive through there and let you see what it sounds like from the outside, what it looks like as it's passing by. It's still pulling to the right, guys, so it wasn't the road up there. It does have a slight right pull. If I let go of the steering wheel, but I ain't got to do it in this parking lot, I guess. But it was. Let's get these outside shots. Got y'all set up in the driver's seat now. So far so good. Engine temp's right around 200. We've been circling the parking lot for a while. Run up on somebody pretty quick with this car. Feels pretty good. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. Listen for rattles and shakes. Bump. Nice and smooth. It never fails though. Always somebody pulls out in front of me right here. Used to be a cut through road where I didn't have to worry about that. started putting a bunch of businesses on that road there, so gotta be somewhat careful. Just waiting on the traffic here. See that guy? He was like, I'm gonna get in front of him. I'm just turning right here though. I do like this car. Pretty quick for what it is. Definitely got a pretty color. And a good sound to it. I hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories. You know the spill. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I'm always out here test driving these cars, checking everything out for you. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. I'll be happy to help you out. We're a family business, been around 38 years, specializing in classic American muscle cars. All right, guys, I'm going home for the day. It's 5 o'clock, we're closed. I'm holding everybody up. I'm the reason everybody's late tonight. See y'all later.